Yeah, sure can. And would you like a taste, guys? It's beautiful peanut butter, eh? The nuts come from Australia, and we roast them here and just squish them up, put them in a jar. So there's nothing in it except a little bit of salt. Takes a whole bag. Okay, so afterwards we put the lid back on. There's a bit of a trick to this. One goes to... No easy task. A bit of wire, I don't know what's this. Oh, damn. Well, anyway, that'll be fine. It's just a little bit of a gap, so we'll just leave this for an hour or so, and we'll come back and it'll be all beautifully roasted and smelling like peanut butter. Okay, so now we're ready to tip the nuts out. There's a bit of a trick to this, which involves getting the bin in the right place. Sometimes we get it wrong, not on this occasion. There they go. Oh. We've got roasted peanuts, and let me assure you that the nuts that are fallen on the floor will not be used in your peanut butter. A taste, madam?
Is that yum?
We get the nuts from Australia,
Yeah.
and we roast them and just squish them up, put them in a jar.
Who's got the money?